So I'm now going to show you how to run a statement. So we go to debtors and customers, and then we find the customer we want again. So in this case, we will do GT. So GT exhaust. So just hit it once, so it's highlighted. Hit statement. I always hit currency values, whether I know it's sterling, euro, dollars, etc. I always hit currency, just to make sure that there's nothing wrong in there. In here, a statement message, if we want to put a message in, so if we want to give holiday times, opening times, special offers, special prices, then we can put it in here. Just a wee note to remember is that if you do put a message in here, it affects all customers, not just Enniskillen, not just Belfast or Aldridge. It affects all 3 sites customers base. So once you're happy, next. Now there's different ways we can send it. You can hit it to printer and select your printer and copy one and hit next, or you can do it by email and hit next, and it will send it to that email address. Or if you want it in a PDF, you can hit export PDF or Excel, whatever you want to work with. So we'll do PDF and next, and it'll come up GT Exhaust NI. We want it as a PDF. Next, and it'll run, and there it's run. Process started, process complete, and finish.